Good morning, kids. Today we are going to study about one most important component of our earth, that is soil. You know, kids, there are various natural resources present on our earth, that is air, water, solar energy. Out of these natural resources, soil is an important natural resource. Soil forms the topmost layer of the earth's crust. Soil contains many types of minerals, water, air, and organic matter in it. This organic matter is known as humus. The insects and the microbes present in the soil convert dead and decaying matter into humus. Plants which are grown in the soil also take water and minerals from the soil. Soil is needed for cultivation of crops, for building the houses, and for making pots and various types of toys and even utensils. You know, children, many animals also live in the soil. That means soil also provides shelter to many animals. As we know that soil acts as a store for water and minerals that are needed for the growth of plants. Therefore, without soil, there would be no plants and so no food for us. In fact, life on earth is not possible without the soil. You may find different types of soils at different places. The type of soil depends on the size of soil particles, minerals, and its water holding capacity. Soil is a non-renewable natural resource. That means once degraded, we cannot use it again. Therefore, we should not pollute the soil. Damage to the soil can disturb nature's balance and prove a threat to life. So, kids, we must protect and conserve the soil so that it can be used for a long time. Now, let us discuss that how is soil formed. Soil is formed by the physical and chemical changes that occur continuously in the nature. Our earth is made up of big rocks. These rocks crack and break down into the smaller pieces by the action of wind, water, glacier, etc. to form soil. This process is known as weathering. Due to extreme heat of the sun, the rocks first break into smaller pieces. Sometimes they are cooled due to rain and break. This constant heating and cooling by the sun and the rain simultaneously break the rocks into small pieces and thus soil is formed. Weathering of rocks is an extremely slow process. To produce just a few centimeters of soil, it takes hundreds of years. During the course of time, dead and decaying organic matter mix with the soil and form humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Now I think after watching this video, you all will protect the soil. Thank you, kids.